Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I will show you how to see saved reels on your Facebook. So by using this method also you can find your liked Facebook reels. So let's go to our tutorial. So for example here I try to save this one of the Facebook reel and it shows saved to your reels profile. So how to view that saved reel? So just go back to your Facebook homepage section and then tap this horizontal 3 lines icon and it shows some options. So here you can select reels and my Facebook reels are ready to watch, but in this section you can tap your profile picture icon and here I does not create any Facebook reels, so it shows no reels yet. But if you like to find your liked reels, just tap this option liked reels and these are the some of my liked Facebook reels. At same time, if you like to see your saved reels, just tap this option view saved. So by using this trick, you can easily find your liked and saved Facebook reels from your mobile. But if you are using the Facebook in desktop mode, just go to your newsfeed section. So now in this section, in left side, it shows some options. So here you can go to saved and then it shows your all saved Facebook reels. So overall I complete my tutorial. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.